The simplest way to a clean oven. From now on, your oven will always shine like new. Just try this simple trick. It works every time. Prepare an oven-proof dish and place it in the oven. Pour half a liter of water into it. Then squeeze the juice of 1 lemon into the water. After that, squeeze another lemon. Put the lemon peels into the dish with the water in the oven as well. Set the oven temperature to 150 degrees Celsius. Turn the oven on for an hour. After that time, slightly open the oven door. Wait a moment for the oven to cool down a bit. Dip a clean cloth into the dish with the lemon water. Gently wring it out and wipe the inside of the oven, removing all the dirt. Thanks to the heat and the lemon's ingredients, the grime will come off easily. With this simple trick, your oven will sparkle without using any chemicals. I use this trick in my daily life. See the results. The oven has never been so clean. Do this after each use of the oven, and you'll never have to spend hours scrubbing it again. How to keep your oven always clean? Or maybe you're wondering how to clean it without scrubbing. Once you know this trick, it will only take a moment from now on. When you cook dinner or supper in the oven, grease, sauce, or cheese can make a mess. After dinner, all that remains are the burnt-on bits. But there's a way to handle it. If you do this right after using the oven, getting it clean will only take a moment. And there's no need for scrubbing. When your oven is empty and turned off, get a bowl. Pour in just under 100 milliliters of vinegar. Boil a liter of water in a kettle. Pour the boiling water into the bowl with the vinegar. Place the bowl in the oven and close it. Leave the bowl inside for 20 minutes. After this time, open the oven. Look at how steamed up it is. It will be easy to clean now. Wipe the glass with a clean cloth. See how dirty it was. Now, wipe the inside of the oven. Soak the cloth in the vinegar water. You can continue cleaning the oven now. For tougher stains, use a sponge. After everything, wipe the oven with a paper towel. Don't forget to clean the heating elements at the top of the oven. Dirt collects on them too, and now they're easy to clean due to the moisture. Just remember that the oven must be off during this process. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new. A simple coin solved the oven problem. From now on, cleaning the oven is a piece of cake. Finally, all the burnt residues have disappeared. I used a natural mixture. I also used the coin trick. To prepare the special mixture, use 1 small cup of baking soda. Pour in half a cup of water. Add another cup of spirit vinegar. Do it gradually because foam will surely form. It's a reaction from the combination of soda and vinegar. This mixture works wonders in the oven. Take a dish sponge. Apply the mixture to the burnt areas. Cover all the burnt residue that has baked onto the bottom of the oven. Do it thoroughly. Put the rest of the mixture in the oven. The dish must be heat resistant. Close the oven. Set it to 100 degrees. Turn it on for about 40 minutes. After this time, remove the bowl. Start cleaning the grate. Just a regular spong is enough for this. You don't have to scrub anything. The burnt residue comes off on its own. Flip the grate over. After a short while, it's as good as new. Also, wipe the glass on the oven door. The dirt and residue are gone. Now start removing the mixture from the bottom of the oven. Use the sponge to remove the soda and burnt residue. The burnt residue comes off as if by magic. Just gather all the dirt. It's almost unbelievable. After a while, there won't be a trace of dirt or burnt residue. If there are any individual burnt spots left, you don't have to make the soda, water, and vinegar mixture again. Just use the coin trick. It's very simple and effective. Rub the burnt spots with the coin. They'll come off for sure. Any place that the soda didn't neutralize for some reason, you can remove with the coin. As a result, the oven is finally truly clean and shiny. The burnt residues are gone. It's hard to believe it's the same oven. The whole secret is the mixture of soda with water and vinegar and the coin. Behind the oven door, there is a hidden button that makes cleaning easier. Most people are unaware of it. Just pull it upwards to release the lock. Repeat the process on the other side. With the doors prepared in this way, they will be easy to remove. Next, grab them and lift them slightly. The hinges should come out on their own. There is a protective plastic on the oven door. Use a screwdriver to pry it open and then remove it. This way, you'll be able to disassemble and clean the glass. Not everyone knows that you can also remove the rack and glass when cleaning. Just pull them towards you with a firm motion. This way, you can thoroughly clean the oven walls. If you don't like scrubbing off burnt grease and food residues, use baking soda. It has excellent cleaning properties and is safe for health. Sprinkle it evenly over the doors and inside the oven using a sieve. A thick layer should cover the entire surface. Then, take a paper towel. Spread it in the areas covered with baking soda. Pour a cup of vinegar into a spray bottle. Screw it tightly. Spray the towels generously with it. They should absorb the mixture well. Both substances will react under the towels and start removing burnt food. Leave it all for 15 minutes. After that time, simply remove the towels and wipe the oven with them. All the dirt will stick to their surface, and you won't have to scrub. It can even handle tough stains. The drawer under the oven has a hidden function. You'll be shocked to learn what it's for. It's not designed for storing pans and sheets at all. This unassuming part of the kitchen comes in handy while cooking. When we take a dish out of the oven and don't want it to cool down quickly, all you have to do is open the drawer under the stove and put it in there. It's also useful for storing leftovers or portions for late arriving guests. The oven, working above it, effectively warms it up. As a result, the dish will stay warm for a longer time. Were you aware of this drawer function? Do you have one in your kitchen? I lined the oven with plastic bags and got rid of burnt-on residues without scrubbing. You can replace strong chemical cleaners for burnt stains with a homemade mixture and plastic bags. Pour 1 cup of baking soda into a bowl. Add 1 cup of vinegar and then half a cup of water. Mix the ingredients together. Prepare some plastic bags and cut them in half so they can be spread out. All you need to do is apply the cleaning solution to the inside of the oven. Spread it evenly, especially in areas with more burnt-on stains. Then cover the entire surface with the plastic bags. Leave it for a few hours. The plastic will keep the mixture from drying out. On tough, burnt-on stains, the mixture should stay on longer. Afterward, remove the bags. Use a regular sponge to wipe away the grime. It will come off easily. When you're done, wipe it clean. Look how beautiful your oven looks now.